Hey guys, how's it going? How to download Hostinger. So first of all, go to the official website of Hostinger, right? You're gonna type right here Hostinger, and then basically log into your account. If you don't have an account, just get started with claiming and adding your account. Select the hosting plan that suits your needs and complete the purchase, and download the app if applicable. If you're looking for the Hostinger mobile app, you can download it from the App Store or Google Play by searching for Hostinger. Go back to your screen, then go ahead to your App Store in my case, and then what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna just go ahead and just type Hostinger, right? Sorry, Hostinger. And basically, once signed up, you can access your dashboard to manage your hosting services. And if you meant downloading specific files like the website files, you can use FTP or file manager provided in the control panel. Let me know for further details in the future. So let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, turn on the notification bell to receive every video we upload. Thank you for watching.